Hey guys, I am here and getting ready to welcome to the first episode of Look Good, Feel Good. I'm really excited about this segment because a lot of you guys been saying you love my style and I'm here for it. But I also wanted to talk about how when you look good, you feel good. Those of you know already that mental health is really important to me. And some days I don't always feel my best. Hello. I'm really excited. The truth is, I want everyone to look good. I want everyone to show up as their best self. I really wanted to start this segment because there are times that I go through anxiety literally every day. There are times where I go through depression. When I look good, I feel good. You know, some days, like, how are you showing up? Putting on your best self. So today, I have on floral, which most of the time I'm always wearing floral. You can get this from Shein. I shop Shein crazy, so I will post this. Have on some jeans with Chelsea boot, you guys, with my normal black blazer that I am throwing on. I figured I would mix black, blue, and pink today. Something about wearing floral makes me feel happy, makes me feel alive, even in the darkest days. I know this is a little different, this is a different segment, but I want to know more about you guys. And Look Good, Feel Good is about knowing what works for you. It might even be your favorite scent of cologne. It might be wearing your favorite sweater. That can literally change your day. When you think about getting up in the morning, when you think about putting your clothes on, your mood, think about what you want to project. In this segment, we are going to get a little bit more personal. We're going to talk about how I'm feeling in the day. It is November 1st, so I'm really excited. My birthday is coming. I'm no longer worried about how I'm feeling because I'm about to turn 30, y'all. I'm about to turn 30, and I know it's crazy. I know. That's why dating isn't going well. People don't take me serious because they think I'm a child. People don't want to date me because I look like a child. Is that it? Don't mind me. Today, November 1st, I am feeling grateful. I am feeling blessed. I am feeling empowered. I know most times my depression stems from home. Being there, I'm working on moving. It's been progress, but my depression stems there. And let me tell you guys, it's one of the worst things to be depressed in your home because that's where it starts. That's where the love and that's where just the growing starts at home. Everything starts at home. So I've been on this journey of still trying to produce content and still trying to, put my best foot forward. And so that's also one reason why I really want to come up with Look Good, Feel Good, because I'm going through stuff too. I can only imagine, and I hear stories and I have friends that we're all going through stuff. So my friend Chastity said in our upcoming collaboration episode, it's probably out by the time this drops, so watch it if you didn't already, but all going through stuff. We're all going through some sort of mental health issue, whether you know it or not, or resonate with it or not. There's something someone can always say, hey, I feel that way too, or I've been through this too. So I really wanted to encourage people to show up every day, putting their best foot forward, looking good, feeling great, because you might be able to get through the day a little bit easier. You might be able to get through the day a little bit better because you're looking your best, and you never know what opportunities are going to be thrown your way. So how do you show up physically and mentally your best? First of all, do it for you. I hope, and not that I care enough, but when people look at me, I don't want them to see oh, he's out trying to do me, he's just doing the most, look at him always trying to be seen. No, is look at me always trying to feel good. Look at me always trying to just put, again, that best foot forward. You can look good and feel great in a onesie. I do it all the time, okay? I wanted to take the blazer off so you guys can get a real feel of my fit, okay? Get into the fit. Walk for me, walk. Yeah. You're doing it for yourself. You're doing it for your mental health. You're doing it because you want to. First of all, when we're talking about this segment, honestly, was inspired by you guys. Truthfully, I'm getting literally so many compliments just about the way I dress, the way I look. I really appreciate it. So with that being said, I want to give back to you. Just getting more of my personality, but with still being mental health with the focus. And I appreciate all you guys. So welcome to Look Good, Feel Good. Stay on the journey. If you're not caught up with all the things that I'm doing, please get caught up. Meditation affirmations, we're working on our mukbangs. The raw vlog is here, and now our new segment, Look Good, Feel Good. I'm really excited for this new journey. I can't believe I have another new segment on the tube, but really excited to continue to talk mental health, to spread awareness, and share my life with you guys, because I know that someone out there is going through the things I've been through. So I can't even do Hey YouTube no more, because that's for the other thing. But thank you guys for being a part of my world, and I'll see you tomorrow or whenever I drop this video. Feel good, look good, feel good, look good, feel good, coming.